In this video, I want to talk about my apple cider vinegar weight loss recipe, and then we'll go over some of the benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar. Hello everyone, my name is 𝘾𝙃𝙄𝙉𝙃, and I've been a fitness trainer and gym owner for over 25 years. And if this is your first time here and you really want to improve your fitness, health, and nutrition along with me, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I put out videos like this every single week. Let's get right to it. What's all this buzz you've been hearing about apple cider vinegar? I personally have been drinking about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar every day for the last few years now, and I really love the results it's been giving me. Plus, a buddy of mine called me about 2 years ago. He was all upset. He said that his cholesterol was like borderline high. They were thinking about putting him on medication. His doctor said, well, first try changing your diet. You know, he discussed it with me, and actually all he changed was he started drinking 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar every day. And then 3 months down the road, he had blood work done again, and his cholesterol went down into normal levels. So there really is some good signs supporting why you should drink or consider drinking apple cider vinegar on a regular basis. Okay, first of all, what is apple cider vinegar? It's pretty much just apple juice. You know, they grind the apples, take the juice out of the apples, and then it's just fermented with yeast. It becomes fermented. But the reason why apple cider vinegar is so good for you is the acid that it produces. The acetic acid is produced in that fermenting process, and that's the main ingredient why apple cider vinegar is so good. You know, research has shown that it actually controls glucose levels in the blood. So for example, if you ate like a high carb or sugary type meal, but you also had in addition to that some apple cider vinegar, it actually can lower glucose levels in the blood, which is great. So if you suffer from something like insulin resistance, actually I'm gonna link up a great video I did explaining what insulin resistance is if you don't know what it is, or metabolic syndrome, all the issues from maybe eating, you know, too much bad, high fructose corn syrup. You know, apple cider vinegar could be a great thing for you to incorporate into your diet, you know, for that reason. Okay, let's talk about like the brand of apple cider vinegar that I like, that I recommend. Pretty much any brand, you know, as long as it's unprocessed and raw, I think it's probably a good brand. But this is the brand I like, Bragg. You know, I buy a lot of the organic product. This is organic product, but the main thing, like we said, it has to be raw, it has to be unfiltered, and it has to be unpasteurized to get all the good stuff in this apple cider vinegar. Okay, so apple cider vinegar just by itself, you really can't drink it by itself. You know, 2 tablespoons, you'll have a really hard time swallowing. Plus, it could be tough on the enamel of your teeth. So you want to dilute it, you want to mix it into some type of a recipe, and that's what we're going to talk about now. Now, the other key ingredient, why I'm calling this the apple cider vinegar weight loss recipe, is this cayenne pepper. Now, research has shown that cayenne pepper can actually increase your metabolism. So we're going to put that in this recipe as well. Okay, now the core liquid for this recipe, I mean, obviously you can use water, but I don't think you're gonna like the taste. So I'm a big believer in drinking these cold pressed vegetable green drinks. I'm gonna link up another video I did about this cold pressed green drink, my favorite one, but this brand is called Evolution's called Devotion. Okay, the reason why I like this one so much is because there's no fruit juice in it. It's all greens. It's just celery, kale, spinach, cucumber, things like that. It's amazing. It's only 50 calories. And has a whopping 1,150 milligrams of potassium. Most people in the US are deficient in potassium. The adequate intake of potassium is 4,700 milligrams a day. Most people aren't getting anywhere near that. I personally do, because I drink one of these and I eat tons of vegetables every single day. You know, I eat avocado every single day. Avocados are really high in potassium as well. So this is my core ingredient for this recipe. So first of all, obviously I'll shake it up, open it. I drink a little bit off the top. Then I take 2 tablespoons of this apple cider vinegar, put it in there, and then I add the cayenne pepper. Now the cayenne pepper, it really is spicy. I would start off really easy with it till you get used to it. Literally maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon, something like that. Maybe you can work up to maybe 1/4, but I would start off with 1/8 of a teaspoon. You shake it up, drink it slowly. You know, it's a great drink. So you're getting the weight loss benefits of the apple cider vinegar controlling glucose, and then you're also getting the increase in metabolism by the cayenne pepper. So this combination and the green drink, it's just such a healthy drink to drink every single day. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And remember, if you really want to improve your fitness, health, and nutrition along with me, hit that subscribe button. Also, hit the bell indicator so you're notified when I put out videos. I put out 2-3 videos every single week. Okay, take care, everyone, and have a wonderful day.